My name is Justin, and I used the Duncan Duo back at the end of 2015, and they helped me out in many ways. I was referred to Andrew and Angela from a partnership that they have with the Tampa Bay Lightning, and as a result, I got in touch with him immediately, and he came to my office, and we met, and from there, he took care of everything. He put me in line with Joe Prieto, and Joe, from start to finish, handled all of my documents. He was aggressive, he was responsive, he was attentive throughout the entire process. For me, this was the first piece of real estate that I've ever sold, and anybody that's looking for a thorough, comprehensive experience should definitely consider the Duncan Duo, and I certainly will for any future needs, whether buying or selling real estate. And I'm extremely appreciative for Andrew's time and his thoroughness. And again, I just want to stress that I recommend anybody and everyone to use them for their real estate needs.